Good morning, it's Saturday, June 24th. I'm Philip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures, about 7 a.m. Central Time. Just kind of want to unpack the precious metals here, what we saw last week, what we're watching this week. So getting into it, over the week, precious metals were under significant pressure. We had gold down about 2%, closed out at 1930. Silver down 7%, 2246. You had copper down 2% at 380 and platinum down 7% at 921. Since Tuesday, silver had fallen about $2 per ounce, and it also tested a 200-day moving average on Thursday, traded either side of that on Friday, right around 2260. So over the week, it was really a risk-off vibe. We saw the volatility index go up about 11%, and numerous central banks had risen interest rates. The dollar had gained about 0.5%. So on the flip side, we did see initial claims cycle up to a 20-month high. They hit 264,000. The Federal Reserve does not want to see that number continue to rise. They'll end up not being able to raise interest rates if that continues to cycle higher. Gold also gained some traction on a weaker Eurozone PMI data, and Treasury yields on Friday had really sold off, hitting a 3-week low. That's what helped support that gold market a little bit more, and then silver kind of traded around that unchanged level. So 3 out of 4 of the metals that we're tracking here are still bearish trend. We've got gold, the trend neutralizer level. You got to get back above 2002. It'll take it out of bearish trend and into a neutral trend. Silver 2450. Platinum 1039, and then copper, that's the only one that's still bullish trend. It's got to break 374 on the downside in order to go to a neutral trend. So copper would be the one that we would be most aggressively adding to onto the long side early in the week next week. So looking at next week's probable ranges, what I did was I ran some AI on this. I used a price volume volatility model, and I went over about the last 3 weeks here worth of data where a lot of the volatility and a lot of the current economic factors are priced into the market. So looking at gold here, your downside probable range 1905, upside here would be 1986. This is on the week. Silver 2174 downside, 2494 on the upside. Copper 379 on the downside, 397 on the upside. Platinum 905 on the downside and 1012 on the upside. So looking at that platinum seasonal, it had ended here on Friday, and it was a big score for the bearish side and the people that follow seasonal analysis here. I looked at the chart pattern just after that. What tends to happen is it kind of bounces around, it consolidates, and then it starts to rally from here. That was looking at a 5, 15, and 30-year type of seasonal analysis. So if you have any questions, futures option trading, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.